Unlocking the power of quantum physics to transform your reality. Imagine a world where your thoughts have the power to shape reality. Welcome to the quantum realm, where this becomes possible. Quantum physics reveals that at a subatomic level, particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously, until observed. This principle suggests that our observation, or our focused intention, can influence the outcome of events in the quantum field. By understanding and harnessing the power of positive thinking, we can align our energy with the reality we wish to create. Meditation and visualization are key tools in this process. They allow us to clearly define and focus on our desired outcomes. It's crucial to maintain a high vibrational frequency, through gratitude and love, to attract similar energy from the universe. Start transforming your life today. Embrace the principles of quantum physics and unlock the power to change your reality.